Like, oh my god, these beautiful monsteras are for $16.97. And some of these have really huge leaves. Like this one, it's kind of ripped out, which is really sad. But look how big that is. And for $16.97, that's not a bad price. And then they have some fiddles for $19.94. Oh my god. And they're so small. Some beautiful snake plants for $16.97 as well, which is not a bad price. Some crotons, which I hate so much. They're $14.97. I hate crotons because they need like a lot of light and a lot of humidity to be happy, which I do not have that. But oh my god, these monsteras are beautiful. Oh my god, it's really damaged, but look at those like small little fenestrations it was gonna have like inside of its leaf. Deep fenestrations. Oh my god. Everything looks so beautiful. I just love monsteras. I just love them so much. And like for $16.97 for a really big one, that is not a bad price. I mean, this one looks pretty sad, but some of these look really good. These fiddles are so small. $19.94. I mean, I guess it's not a bad price for a fiddle, but I feel like it's not like the regular fiddles. I feel like it's one of the like the mini ones, like the bush kind, because if you look at the leaves, they're really small. So I don't know, but as a little quick update, I didn't saw any other houseplants that they had like in 4-inch pots, but I did saw some beautiful palms for $14.97. And they have so many. I want one so bad, but I'm not supposed to be buying any plants right now. But hopefully in the future, I will come back and buy some because these look so beautiful. Oh my god. Okay, that's a quick little mini blog on going to Walmart. Hey guys, welcome back to another new video. So today it might be like a vlog style video, I am not that sure, but I do want it to be like a cleaning slash like houseplant day. So right now what I do want to do, I want to like, so these are the plants that I got from the plant shopping video at Lowe's. So if you haven't seen that Lowe's plant shopping video where I got these two girlies, one of the eyes will be popping up in the corner, so you can go and check it out. But what we're gonna do, we're gonna get these ready. I do want to cut off some dead leaves. I kind of want to cut off the flowers because like if you know me, my dilemma is like if I see flowers, I want to cut them off. I want to admire them, maybe take some pictures, but I want to cut them off so all the energy can go on the leaves and not on producing like seeds or like more blooms. I wanted to grow more like a healthier foliage and better roots. So yeah, but I'm not sure yet. Okay, I don't know if I'm gonna cut the flowers yet because they're really pretty, you guys, especially this one. And I got these for $1 at Lowe's for like on the clearance section. They were outside and like thank god I went in the morning because that day was so hot outside, and if I didn't went there, or if I went there like later on that day, they would have gotten scorched by the sun. And I did some research and they do not like having direct sunlight on them. I did place them in the kitchen window over here. It gets like a little bit of like direct lighting like in the morning, but it's not as strong and harsh as it is when it's like in the evening or noon. So I think it's going to do a-okay. My rattlesnake calanthias love the like the bright direct light, but they love like the direct light coming through in the windows like in the mornings. So I'm hoping that these would also love it as well. One thing that I also found out about these beautiful plants is that they don't like having the best way to water these babies is bottom watering. And you know, if you know me, I always water my plants like bottom watering. If you see Fur, my baby girl, she's right over here. She's like literally taking a shower, which means she is licking herself. But yeah, so which is really great because I literally bottom water all of my plants. If they're outside, I top water them, obviously because like they're outside. But majority of all of my indoor plants, I love to bottom water them. And the good part is that's how you water these girlies, so that's not going to be an issue. The current instructions says indoor within 1 through 5 of window. I don't know what the hell that says. Focus, please, 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 please. Focus. I want you guys to read it. But I think it says 1 to 5 hours of window. That's literally what it says. It also says outdoors 1 through 3 hours of morning sunlight. So I'm guessing it could tolerate a little bit of direct light like in the morning when it's not so harsh. And the watering says keeps moist. Soil must not dry out, which is also amazing because like this one has variegation. I know there's some beautiful African violets that have like the most beautiful variegation, you guys. There's one that I saw on Instagram. I might put like a little picture on the screen, I'm not that sure. But it's like green, like, you know, basic green with white variegation. It is beyond gorgeous. And if I can take care of these girlies and make them bloom again, which will, I don't know if I can, but I'm gonna try my best. I'm gonna buy it because I don't know, I really think it's pretty and I love it. And you know me, I just love variegation, as many of you guys do as well. Like, am I the only one that likes variegation? Like, y'all let me know, because like I'm a variegation person. I'm a foliage type of person, so anything variegated, I need it. So we're gonna take off the little plastic packaging. Okay, I thought these plants do not like having they don't like when we touch the leaves. I'm not that sure. When I was doing research, they said nothing about that, but I think I heard it somewhere. They don't like having the leaves being touched. It's really soft, you guys. It feels like a teddy bear. Okay. It has more flowers coming through, but it kind of... So what I'm doing right now, I'm taking off all the dead foliage and the plants because, you know, to make it look aesthetically pleasing. And also if there's a lot of like foliage in your leaves, you're gonna have pest issues, and we don't like having pest problems in this household, or I'm pretty sure in your household as well. Nobody likes having pests. Talking about pests, you guys. So I'm planning in the future, maybe in spring, I'm not that sure. I really do want to make another greenhouse because when I had my greenhouse, it felt amazing. And it was like an amazing place to go to when I was like stressing myself out, because I work at home and I'm always home, you know. So the greenhouse was like an amazing place to go to when I needed to like get my daily dose of greens. And also a lot of my family members, they loved it a lot. Like, it was something that I was so proud on, like taking people, like people who come over to the house. I was like let's go to the greenhouse, like I want to show you guys some new plants or how the plants are doing, because my family members, they appreciate plants as I do. They try to collect them, but like they are either really busy people, or they kill them, which just simply means like they need more like doable plants. So maybe in the spring I might talk to like some of them, or like ask them like, if you guys need any advice. I would love to like give you some like plant tips, or like plants that are like really easy. Sure, baby girl, you know, walk. She's so cute. Sweetie, I'm filming, mama. I would love to like some like, hey, you can honestly like, just get a Sansevieria. Sansevieras are amazing. And she's literally on the camera. But yeah, okay, this thing is pretty cleaned up. It has a lot of soil in its pot, but with a simple microfiber cloth, it might do wonders. I don't know, because recently enjoying cleaning my plants with the microfiber cloth, it literally takes off the mineral deposits. It just makes the leaves look a lot cleaner and just prettier. So that's my new favorite thing to use. But I don't know if it's gonna work on like on furry type of leaves. I'm not that sure about that, so yeah. But yeah, she looks pretty good now. She has more leaves coming through, which is really fun. As you guys can see, the furriness, which is so pretty. Beautiful. Premium collection variety. Love that. By the way, if you guys haven't followed me on Instagram, you should go and check it out, because I'm doing a series of growing carnivorous plants by seeds. I love carnivorous plants. I think they're so cool and like just so fun. And I've never grown, I have a couple carnivorous plants. I have 2 pitcher plants and 2 monkey cup. I have 1 pitcher plant and 2 monkey cups plants. And they're doing amazing. They're honestly doing really good. The trick is keeping the soil moist and giving them a good amount of humidity. Luckily outside, it's pretty humid enough for them to be happy, and giving them bright and direct light. So they're doing really, really good. This plant looks so good, you guys. Like, do y'all see that? Look how big that is. It has a lot of new leaves coming through. I want to repot it in a really, really cute pot. But I was watching one of Gordon's Answers' videos, and oh, by the way, on Instagram. So I'm doing like a series of like growing their seeds, because I bought like the little container where like they usually still converse plants, but they have another version of like seeds. So I'm growing 3 little seeds, and I'm doing weekly updates on my Instagram, on the Instagram like Reels type of thing. But yeah, it's pretty fun. But yeah, as I was watching videos on how to look after this beautiful plant, I saw that they when you want to repot it, it needs to be like, oh, how did she said, like 1/3, 2/3 of the foliage. So usually this like within a couple, like 2 more months, because the foliage is over the radius of the pot. So yeah, this is so pretty, you guys. Like, I'm so excited. I'm probably gonna need to bottom water it a couple, like in 2 days, because it feels pretty light. The soil looks moist, but I'm pretty sure it needs a little bit of water down the line, you know? So that's it for these 2 plants, and I'm gonna go place them back in the window. I'm gonna cut this flower off because it just doesn't look so good. Alrighty, so these 2 plants are ready to go back in their little spots.